to the end of another week and another Friday and the 1st of March, new beginnings. So this weekend I'm very excitedly going to be redecorating and changing my business into the new brand. So we have been Smile Fitness up until now and have had the very happy little smiley faces everywhere. And sadly this weekend I will be painting and redecorating and going with the new stencil and the new name, which is her smile. So we'll be putting them up this weekend, and it's still got the little smile and the smiley face. So that's what's keeping me going. Is it's still a happy place to be, a very happy place to be, and a woman's brand, and that's exciting, new beginnings. So what I wanted today was to talk to you about you and the importance of the 3 things that I believe in, and that is you are what you eat, think and do. And that all starts in your brain. So it's all up here where you have complete control of what you eat, think and do. You have that privilege of making that decision for yourself. So ladies, in your brain is something in the temporal lobe called the hippocampus. Okay, the hippocampus is responsible for producing healthy brain cells, and it will do that under certain conditions. Condition is that you are exercising. When you are exercising, your brain produces healthy brain cells while you're exercising. So it's instant transformation. And then if you eat nutritiously, so if the body's receiving healthy, nutritious food, the brain is happy and it creates healthy brain cells. As long as it's creating healthy brain cells, you are protected from dementia and Alzheimer's and big D, depression. Right. So the reverse is also true. If you do not eat nutritiously, the brain does not produce healthy brain cells. If you do not exercise, the brain does not produce healthy brain cells. And so then what happens is that's all linked to bad thoughts, unhealthy thoughts, and unhealthy thoughts create dead trees in your head. So when you are thinking positively, you are growing healthy, nutritious little broccolis in your brain, okay, green trees. And the moment you start thinking negatively, those healthy brain thoughts become negative and those trees start to break down. So the same goes for your health, okay? So then you are susceptible to Alzheimer's, depression and dementia. So ladies, this is now completely in your hands. You have the power to change this instantly by, first of all, eating nutritiously, thinking positive thoughts, which is a choice, and exercising. The 3 most important things to ensure your health as you go forward. So my thoughts for you today is on the weekend, can you instigate this, please? Can you start looking at the food that you've got on your plate and thinking, is this nutritious? Start getting into a healthy way of exercising every day, a habit, making a habit. For the next 5 days, I want you to be consciously aware of what you're eating. Are you doing some form of exercise? And what are you thinking? Change those 3 things. It's quite simple, and you have the power to do it yourself. So that is what I want you to do this weekend. Today's Friday. You've got the rest of today. You've got Saturday. You've got Sunday to start putting into practice those 3 simple things to change the next 365 days of your life, which will then amount to a positive year. So there you go. I look forward to hearing about it, and have a happy, healthy weekend.